news tonight. Regional neighbor Bahamas on its knees following the passage of Hurricane Dorian. Jamaica promises help. Integrity Commission chairman resigns. Opposition demands review of the body. And dengue cases on the rise in one St. James community.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Janella, some advice this evening for small businesses trying to grow and compete globally. It comes from a digital marketing firm which says traditional payment methods may be restricting customer numbers. I'll have more on that and other stories later in the business day.
And from Herman, we go to Jordan Ford. What's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, it's quite controversial as another pay dispute has emerged between the national players and the JFF, but this time it's the national women's players. And one star player has threatened to even withdraw her services. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Oh my, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what was your commute like this morning? Light of the start of the new school year.
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. The comment should be interesting.
Yeah. Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.